Hi all, I am Nitin and today I am going to make a video on regulatory authorities, COMs and ICH. In this video we will learn about what is the regulatory authority and what are the different regulatory authorities, what is the COMs and what is the ICH. So the regulatory authority is any government agency or public organization which is responsible for formulation of the regulations and guidelines and their compliances. The main aim of the regulatory authority is to establish and strengthen the safety standard of the drug across the globe and to check whether the regulations and guidelines are followed by the pharmaceutical companies or not. There are mainly 5 to 6 regulatory authorities which are very important. The regulatory authority of the USA is US FDA, that is United States Food and Drug Administration. The headquarters of US FDA is located at Silver Spring, Maryland. The regulatory authority of the UK, that is United Kingdom, is MHRA, that is Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency, and the headquarters of MHRA is located at London. The regulatory authority of European Union is EMA, that is European Medicine Agency, and the headquarters of EMA is located at Netherlands. While the regulatory authority of Japan is MHLW, that is Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory, Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare, while their headquarters is located at Tokyo, Japan. The regulatory authority of Canada is Health Canada, and their headquarters is located at Canada. The regulatory authority of Australia is TGA, that is Therapeutic Goods Administration, and their headquarters is located at Canberra, Australia. The regulatory authority of India is CDSCO, that is Central Drug Standard Control Organization, and their headquarters is located at IPC, Ghaziabad. Now we will discuss about the COM. COMs is the Council for International Organization of the Medical Science. The COM is formed by WHO and UNESCO jointly in 1949. The COM is a part of a WHO to keep watch on the drug across the globe. The COM is formulated for reporting the adverse drug reactions at an international level. COM also constructed their own ADR reporting form, that is COMS form, and the COMS form is acceptable all over the world, and this form is most widely used by the European countries. The COM does not have any regulatory power, but they can give suggestion to the WHO, and they have indirect impact on a WHO. COMs represent vast proportion of the biomedical scientific community. As per the 2013 membership of the COMs, there are near about 46 international, national and other organizations which are included into the COMs and which are the part of the COM. The COM has a 10 working group. Now we will discuss about ICH. So what is the ICH? ICH is the International Conference for Harmonization or International Council of Harmonization for technical requirement of the pharmaceutical products for human being. The ICH was founded by the Japan, Europe and USA in 1990. So the main objective of the ICH is to achieve the greatest harmonization. The ICH brings all the regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical companies in these countries, that is USA, Japan and Europe. They bring these pharmaceutical companies and regulatory authorities together to study the scientific and technical aspect of the pharmaceutical product, their development and registration. During the decade of the 1970 to 1980, there were many regulations and guidelines come into existence, but these guidelines and regulations were different for different nations, so it was very time consuming and expensive to fulfill the needs and requirements of each country, because every country has a different regulations and guidelines. So there was an urgent need of the harmonization to make a same and one unique law and guidelines which is applicable in all countries of the world. The ICH consists of The ICH consists of a steering committee, and the ICH steering committee is consists of a global cooperation group, MEDRA management group, coordinator, and secretariat. There are 4 working group in ICH. That is the discussion working group, informal working group, expert working group, and implementation group. The ICH gives the guidelines for the clinical trials and pharmacovigilance. There are mainly 4 guidelines given by the ICH. That is the quality guidelines, efficacy guidelines, safety guidelines, and multidisciplinary guidelines. All the regulatory authorities across the globe are work under the control of the International Conference for Harmonization. So that's all about the regulatory authorities, SIOMS, and ICH. Thank you.